And this is how a woodpecker destroys a tree.
This side too.
Eh?
Yep, right up this side.
Yeah. See those holes there? Well, that goes all the way up.
But if that you push on that, the top could come this way.
And that one should come down this winter. Right there.
This is the one he's working on.
Mr. Wood.
One side, he hasn't done the other.
Mr. Woodpecker. And
This is the next one.
he's moved to a new location.
He's stuck here. He's only gone from here to here.
Eh?
One side.
Unreal.
That'll be another year yet. I'll have to get some high wind.
Right here. Mr. Woodpecker.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one should come down in a couple of years' time.
Yeah.
He's already taken these down. Oh, timber!
You had that one down.
Now I gotta clean it up.
No, now you got a nice log to sit on.
Yep.
He was rotted.
Quiet space.
Yeah.
This is where I was going to make a spot right here.
Yeah.
Somewhere around here.
You got a nice bench to sit on right here.
Just to sit and read a book.
Yeah. Not right here.
Eh?
You can sit right on here because it's still solid.
Eh?
The wood is still solid here.
Yeah.
Just at the edges.
That's pretty cool.